Have you recommended a product to another person and they decided to buy one for themselves? That is how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing is promoting products of online shops and receiving commission for its sale when people buy from your link. How to apply as an affiliate? There are two ways. The first is you can apply directly with each shop. The second is through a middle agency. Here are examples. You can go to merchants like Shopee or Lazada to apply for their affiliate program by filling out all your details and wait for approval before you can begin. With Lazada, they need your documents first and approve them before you can start. Their approval period takes 2 to 3 days. With Shopee, after you apply, it will take 15 to 30 days to receive their answer. The same goes for other online shops and platforms. Your second option is by using a middle agency, and in this video, I'll be sharing Involve Asia. You can register with them through your computer browser or download their app on your phone to register. Involve Asia partners with different online merchants that offers various goods and services. It's like a middle agency for most of the popular online shops that offers affiliate marketing. Take a look at their list. Do these logos look familiar to you? When applying to the different online shops, there is no need to go to each of the site's website to apply. You can apply by clicking Apply in the Involve Asia dashboard like this. If you would like to go with Involve Asia, I have provided the link in the description. Select registration and input the information required. You will get approved within 48 hours through email as long as you have a property asset like an active Facebook account, IG, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or similar, at least with 200 likes or followers where you can promote your products. After which, you can already generate the link for the product you would like to promote like this. Copy the link and include this when you post. This will serve as your unique affiliate link for the specific product. When people click the link to buy, the sale automatically gets credited to you. Involve Asia will monitor your sale through this. Their payout is through bank or PayPal, so it's important to have these when you apply and input your payment information on your account. Try it out! Who knows? Affiliate marketing may be for you. If this has been helpful, please click the like button. If you have questions, please comment down below.